Last week a client removed false reviews from Facebook and TikTok legally in 2026. Here's how. Most people flag the review and wait. That rarely works. Screenshot the false review immediately. Save the URL and exact timestamp. You need proof it exists. Check Facebook's community standards and TikTok's community guidelines. False reviews violate both platforms' policies in 2026. Submit a dispute through the official review report tool. Skip the contact form. Use the in-platform dispute button. The biggest mistake is thinking one flag gets it removed. Platforms get millions of reports daily. Your first dispute is almost always rejected by an automated system. You need a second appeal with specific policy citations, proof the review is fabricated, and persistent follow-up. Most people quit after rejection 1. File your second appeal within 48 hours of the first rejection. Cite the exact policy number. For Facebook, reference Community Standards Section 20 on spam and inauthentic behavior. For TikTok, cite Community Guideline 4.2 on fake engagement. Include screenshots proving the reviewer never purchased or interacted with your business. Attach transaction records if you have them. Escalate to platform business support if appeal 2 fails. Facebook Business Help Center processes 73% of escalated disputes within 14 days in 2026. TikTok's Creator Marketplace support handles business account disputes faster than standard user support. Request a human review explicitly. Use the phrase, "request human escalation," in your subject line. Path A is the DIY route. You flag it once, wait 30 days, nothing happens, your rating stays damaged. You waste 40 hours across 3 months. Path B is using ReputationZilla's dispute process. They know the exact policy language, submit appeals daily, and get responses in 7 to 14 days. Success rate climbs because they follow up persistently. Here's the advanced move most people miss. Before you even dispute, build a paper trail proving the review is false. If the reviewer claims they bought a product on March 5th, pull your sales records and show 0 transactions. If they claim they visited your location, check your security camera logs or appointment calendar. Platforms want evidence, not opinions. Now here's the exact template ReputationZilla uses in 2026 for Facebook disputes. Subject line, Policy Violation Report, Community Standards 20.3, Request Human Review. Body, this review violates Facebook Community Standards Section 20 on inauthentic behavior. Attached evidence shows the reviewer has no transaction history with our business. Transaction log attached. Request immediate human escalation and removal per policy 20.3. Paste that. Attach your proof. Submit. That specific wording triggers faster human review because it cites policy and requests escalation upfront. Policy Violation Report, Community Standards 20.3, Request Human Review. This review violates Facebook Community Standards Section 20 on inauthentic behavior. Attached evidence shows the reviewer has no transaction history with our business. Request immediate human escalation and removal per policy 20.3. Screenshot proof and cite exact platform policies. File second appeal within 48 hours with evidence. Escalate to business support, request human review. Need help removing false reviews legally? ReputationZilla handles the entire dispute process. Visit ReputationZilla.org today. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.